Good night. My name is Maria Elena Monsalve, and I'm going to answer the questions that I choose in the guide. Okay. First, did you spend much money on your last trip? Was it a fair amount? Yes, I did spend much money on my last trip. I spent around 5 million pesos, but it was a fair amount because I get to know so many things. I get to know the La Guajira Sea, also the desert and the rancherias. And also I get to know the Guayu culture. Second question. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? On a trip, the most unknown food I tried in La Guajira, chivo. I haven't tasted chivo before. I think that it was a really good meal, but I'm not going to eat it again in the future. What places have you missed visiting on your trip? I miss visiting El Cabo de la Vela because I was in a hotel near from Riohacha, which is the La Guajira's capital city. So en Cabo de la Vela is further than that. So I wasn't be able to make Cabo de la Vela, and they say that Cabo de la Vela is one of the most famous touristic places to visit in La Guajira. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? I was in a rancheria. We were in one of the communities to getting to know the Guayu people and the Guayu culture. They give us a little tour for their in their community, and we went there and we were really happy because they talk about their culture, their customers, and they made a little dance for us. What are the best things that have happened to you on a trip? Mention two. Well, one of the better things that have happened to me on a trip is when I was to the rancherias in La Guajira, and they marked my face in the way that they mark their faces with a special paint that they have based on henna. And also another thing that happened to me is that Colombia is a multicultural place where you can get to know too many communities, and they live in a different ways that we used to, and that's a really surprising thing that we must know about our country. Thank you.